goodness gracious. It looks so good. Foreshadowing. More foreshadowing. This is the crookedest looking burnout line I've ever seen. And I don't know what that means, but that gets super squirrely. Basically, I did some pretty sweet burnouts out there, and while my friend Ben was filming, someone called my phone, and that stopped the filming, and he didn't hit record again. So I was kind of down in the dumps, and then I'm like, well, as you can see, the shop is clean-ish now. The floor is open. So I was like, wait a minute. And if I titled this video correctly, you know what is about to happen. I'm nervous, but excited. Oh my goodness gracious. Cody, where are you?
I made it outside. It's pretty bad in there.
Oh,
Nice.
that was better than I thought.
Yeah. I didn't think it was gonna smoke that much.
No, that's ridiculous. It's gonna take an hour and a half for that to clear out. Okay guys, so the smoke is cleared and that is what is left. So I'll be honest, I wanted this to work really well, so I cheated and I put some oil on the ground to make it extra. And man, that got wedged in there. Holy, oh, there it goes. Those are nice and smooth now. See, you could see the oil. I cheated, but I didn't want to do that, and it not worked, and it freaking worked. So well worth it. There's oil all over everything. I may have put a bit too much, but I wanted to make sure it was gonna work. Oh man, I don't know what to say. That was great. Through space, you don't care. That was epic. Thank you guys for watching. Holy crap. Like this video, comment, try and help me make this go viral, because that was pretty freaking sweet, and I'm pumped. Thank you guys for watching. So now that we've done that, Tons of little tiny things to go through. I want to get it running a little better. Just little things here and there. Got to add a couple more bits to the exhaust, clean it up. Actually get the hood on and put some hinges, get the windshield back on, and then do some sort of support so I can drive it with the windshield. We need a new windshield for the windshield. Just a bunch of little stuff. Actually relocate the battery properly because right now it is bungee corded to the back of the bed. I think I'm missing AO2 sensor, maybe. I don't really know. We just kind of went for it. So judge me all you want, but there you have it. That's all I got for you. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, share, all that jazz, and we'll freaking see you later.